Guys, it's your boy That Van Guy, and I'm sure some of you are excited to see this happen. I just tore out the rear window, so I'm gonna go pick up a new sheet of some actual Lexan this time. I think that was acrylic plastic that I used last time. It wasn't quite big enough, so I had to get up half the size. So now I'm gonna cut out an actual sandwich skirt for it, so I can just silicone the Lexan into that skirt and then attach the skirt to the back of the van, and I think it'll look a lot better that way. So anyways, that's what I'm working on. So yeah, Vuck conversion part 9, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna run to Lowe's in a little bit. I gotta let the Baka run in the background for a while. We can't zoom, but yeah, I'll let the Baka back there run for a while, and when that's done, then I'm gonna run to Home Depot and pick up like a 48 by 96 sheet. It's expensive. It's like 150 bucks, so that sucks. But yeah. Fortunately, I got a paycheck by Valentine's Day, so my boo will still be happy and be able to make shit work that way. Just in case you guys wondered what I did every day, I cut granite countertops. That's why I have access to this really badass shop that has tons of granite in it. So this is our Baka machine through Kuka Robo Arms. It's like pretty much the most insane stone cutting tool ever. I love it. So yeah. Shit, boy. Anyways, this should be ending a cut here shortly, and you can kind of see how it moves. It's kind of badass. Hey, gang gang. Okay. We got her set up spiffy this time. Hopefully it doesn't blow. Dude, I'm nervous now. Just kidding, not nervous at all. This is gonna go perfectly. That nozzle doesn't look like it's quite the right height. Bingo. There we go. I set her up a little bit too tall, but shit'll buff. Okay, so I've got plates sitting on this now. I just glued the window to the window frame, so everything's gonna sit flush now. But yeah, just cranking it out with the granite silicone. Should be mint. All right, so I dusted some paint on the back side. I didn't have to mask anything because the plastic's still on the back, which is nice. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow. So the van's gonna be sitting outside in Crackhead Village with no rear window, which is gonna be kind of sketchy, but tomorrow I can toss in the new one and it's gonna be mint and it'll be done proper, and then you guys can stop telling me how fucking fugly it looks. So thanks guys, I'm good. Hey guys, I just pulled the masking tape off of the Lexan and it looks pretty good. So I painted the border on this side too. I put some duct tape on the back side because even though I put the silicone on like over 12 hours ago, it's still not fully cured, and I wanted to attach it tonight, so it'll be all ready to attach basically here as soon as this paint hardens. I painted it on a few minutes ago. I got the heater on it, so it should be dry here shortly. But yeah, it's looking way better. It's not actually going to be ghetto this time. I'm excited. All right, so we got the rear window in. It's looking pretty mint. It's a little flexy, super good. Yeah, silicone wasn't holding quite as good as I thought, so I figured I better like hard mount it a little bit. So here I drilled a 1/4 inch hole before I put the self tapper through, and I'm using the rubber grommets, so the self tappers are not tight at all, which allows the window to be flexible and not that stressed out. So it is Lexan, so it's a lot more flexible than the acrylic material before. And I made sure to spend some time on the grommet on the outside, so once it's all painted the same color, it'll actually look pretty professional. And now that I have the design file for that window on the inside, I can cut my own replacements. And yeah, it's pretty mint. I'm stoked about it. Hit my filter with some Power Clean, drying it out right now with the cordless leaf blower. And I'm gonna hit it with some filter oil when she's all dried up. Works pretty good. Oh yeah. Got some of the interior stripped out with my boy Victor. Taking care of some shit. Just cleaned the air filter as you guys saw. She's still running nice and cold right now. Just started it up. So, yeah, there we go. Anywho, I think we're gonna go out for a little rip and enjoy this thing for a few minutes before I put it away and go home for the night. Should be a good time.